to show you how to eat.
Oh.
Now I'm going to show you how to drink.
A.
That's the end of our show with Talking Paul.